number 2, and let me show you how to enter the service menu on the following device. So let me show you how to get access to the hidden mode called the service menu. At the very beginning, before I add the secret code, I need to check out my model number. So let's choose settings, tab general. Right here you have to select the about phone. Let's choose hardware info, and here you've got your model number. In my case it's LG M320N, so I have to remember these numbers, 320. Let's go to a home screen, let's open the phone's dialer, and let's use the secret code *546368# Now you need to input your secret code, your model number. So in my case it's 320, and let's end this secret code by using the hash. This is the hidden mode called service menu. Here you can use device test and choose SAT. Here you can choose the auto test and perform all tests. You can choose manual test. You can select the version right here. In my case this is the version of my test. You can choose the optional test. Let me tap it. Let's choose IDS test. You can tap start if you would like to, or you can quit it by choosing the exit. Let's go back. You can see the test results right here. Tap OK. All the following tests are included right here in the auto test or in the manual test. For example, here you can test the vibrator. Choose pass or fail. You can test the loop back, the camera, the FM radio, the charging, and a lot of more. Let's go back a couple of times. Let's now use the ELT test. So here you can perform the automatic test or manual. Let me tap manual, choose start. Now for example, let's choose the LCD black light, tap test start. This is the black light, so let's tap stop. You can also test the ringtone, test start. You can test the camera, the loop back, vibrator, and other stuff. Let's go back. You can also choose SVC Menu, and here you can check the version info. You can see the log service and other stuff such as the battery test, the motion sensor calibration, LCD test, and other important data. Let's go back. You can also choose the field test, and here you can test the modem, Wi-Fi, browser, GPS, and a lot of more. So that's it. Let's go back. Let's go back a couple of times to quit the testing menu and the service mode, and that's it. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.